And here we are with the solar system, just very small solar system that can power up a refrigerator. This panel generates around 45. It generates about around 60, but because the controller is PWM, it's just generating about 45 watt. It's 12 volt system, and we have to just go behind and look at the sticker. If you just can see the details.
Hello. Hello.
And there is no refrigerator that consumes 45 watt, but this one, fortunately, it consumes about 100 watt. It's written 78, but it is 100 watt. And here is the magic. PWM controller